हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्मार्ट क्लास बाय नेहा यूट्यूब चैनल। हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं साइबर सिक्योरिटी के बारे में, जो कि सेमेस्टर 4 का माइनर सब्जेक्ट है। वैसे ये कोई भी एग्ज़ाम में काम आ सकता है अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट साइबर सिक्योरिटी है। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोज़ साइबर सिक्योरिटी के बारे में पहले ही अपलोड कर दिया है, आप मेरे चैनल पर जाकर देख सकते हैं। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ओवरव्यू ऑफ क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। Introduction. Cloud computing is a model that provides computing services on demand over the internet. It allows users to access and store data, run applications, and use services like web, mail, streaming videos, and office productivity software from any internet connected device. How it works? A global network of remote servers store and manage data, run application, and deliver services over the internet. Its benefit: faster innovation, flexible resources, economies of scale, and users only pay for what they use. Types: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, and serverless computing. Security: identity and access management, network security, data security, endpoint security, and application security. Some say the term and idea of cloud computing originated with J.C.R. Licklider and his idea of an intergalactic computer network. Now, characteristic of cloud computing: on-demand self-services. The cloud computing services does not require any human administrators. Users themselves are able to provision, monitor, and manage computing resources as needed. Broad network access. The computing services are generally provided over standard networks and heterogeneous devices. Rapid elasticity. The computing services should have IT resources that are able to scale out and in quickly and on a need basis. Multi-tenancy. Cloud computing providers can support multiple tenants on a single set of shared resources. Security. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures to protect their users' data and ensure the privacy of sensitive information. Automation. Cloud computing services are often highly automated, allowing users to deploy and manage resources with minimal manual intervention. Intervention. Now, benefits and challenges of cloud computing. Benefit: cost saving. Cloud computing can be cost efficient. Flexibility. Cloud computing can improve flexibility and reliability. Collaboration. Cloud computing can improve collaboration and accessibility to data and applications. Disaster recovery. Cloud service providers invest in security measures and data protection protocols. Innovation. Cloud computing can help organizations incorporate AI and machine learning into their strategies. Challenges: security. Concerns about data security and privacy persist. Vendor lock-in. Businesses may face challenges if they decide to switch cloud computing providers. Downtime. Cloud service outages can disrupt business operations. Hybrid cloud complexity. Hybrid cloud environments can lack a uniform user interface and consistent data. सो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है। वीडियो अगर पसंद आया हो तो लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।